Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed Spotify in Canva. This is a great way to bring music directly into your designs, especially if you're a Shopify store owner promoting a brand vibe, a playlist, or a featured track. By the end, you'll know how to pull a live Spotify track straight into your Canva design so viewers can see and interact with it. This works really well for presentations, social media graphics, link in bio pages, or any design where you want to showcase music in a clean, professional way and make your content more engaging. Start by opening your Canva project. This could be a landing page graphic, a brand kit slide, or a promotional post. Once you're inside your design, look over to the left-hand toolbar and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all the extra tools and integrations that extend what your design can do beyond basic graphics. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, type the word Embed. You'll see the Embed app appear in the results. Click it to open the Embed app. This is what lets you bring in content from the web using a simple link, and Spotify works perfectly with it for adding interactive media. Now switch over to Spotify to grab the link for the song you want. You can do this in the desktop app or in your web browser. Navigate to the track you want to feature, open its options, and copy the link. You're looking for the regular shareable URL, not an embed code. If you see something that looks like HTML, that's not needed here. Just the clean web link is perfect. Also, make sure the content is shareable so Canva can load a preview, which is especially important if you're linking to a public song, album, or playlist. Head back to Canva and paste that Spotify link into the field inside the Embed app. Double-check there aren't extra spaces before or after the link, then click Add to Design. Canva will generate a live, interactive preview and place it onto your canvas. From here, you'll see a rectangular frame with the Spotify player. It behaves like any other element in your design, so you can move it around, resize it, or position it alongside text, images, or buttons to fit your layout and branding. If the preview doesn't load, it usually means the link wasn't copied correctly or the content isn't accessible. Try recopying the URL from Spotify and pasting it again. Also, avoid shortened links and make sure you're not using a private or local file, since Canva can only display content that's publicly available online. One quick note about how this works. When you share or download, the embed is interactive when you view the design through a web link or in Canva's presentation mode. This is ideal for sharing with customers or collaborators. If you download a static format like a PNG or PDF without interactivity, it won't play inside the file. Viewers will need the online version to interact with the player, so keep that in mind when deciding how you plan to share your design. And that's it. Open your project, go to Apps, search for Embed, paste your Spotify song link, and add it to your design. Simple, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your Canva designs with Spotify.